we get engaged in for multiple reasons. Some of it's proactive, where architects or planners come to us wanting a traffic report or swept paths done so that they've got peace of mind that it's designed appropriately or can go into council, be submitted to council and be satisfactory. And then there's the reactive way we get engaged, where council has requested a traffic engineer prepare a report or swept path diagrams, or have some certain queries that need to be addressed by a traffic engineer. So then either the client, the planner, the architect will come to us and say, we need this sorted out. Can you, is it something you can assist with? Obviously the reactive way, it's very concise in terms of what we need to actually address. It's usually those specific issues raised by council or Vic Roads, in which case we can just scope those specific tasks that need to be addressed. Other times we prepare full traffic reports under the request of the architect. Might be because there's a car parking reduction being sought. It might be some specific design queries that they have and they want to make sure that it's been addressed. Architects generally prefer designing the things above ground. They don't want to get stuck down into the basement and the standards that they need to adhere to. So if we can help them deal with that, it's often more cost and time effective for us to do so.